Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Steam overlay not working. So let's go. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is to run the Steam app as administrator. And you can do so by going to the icon of Steam and right click on it and then choose Run as Administrator. Then you need to check for Steam client updates. And you can do so by open your Steam app and click on Steam option and then click on check for Steam client updates. And if there's any updates, make it and the problem may be solved. And if it didn't solve yet, go to Steam and then settings, then click on in-game and make sure this first option, which is enable the Steam overlay while in-game, is enabled or turned on, and click on OK. Then go to your library and select the game in which the overlay is not working. Then select properties, it should be like that, and then go to general and check the enable the Steam overlay box while in-game, and then relaunch the Steam app. And that's how you can fix overlay not working. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.